Ayan.
Thank you so much, Eugene.
Kay Sir Eugene, asawa niyan. And of course, syempre, ano muna kami, tapos tawag ulit tayo ng
Drummer.
Oo. And of course, once again, my name is Tayo, together with my partner,
Amara.
And...
Hi, Nadiva!
Ano daw? Chabas. Siya po ang Black Champion po. Inulit ko na, siya po ang Black Champion na. I can see your voice. Raina Diva. Ayan. Ayan, huwag po kayo magkapatid po talaga sila.
Oh, DJ.
Yung pangalan yung wala dito.
Ayan, baka gusto nyo na mag-request dyan sa labas, ha?
Pahirapan mo kaming tatlo.
At first, I was afraid, I was petrified, keep thinking I could never leave without you by my side. Back then I spent so many nights thinking how you didn't know, and I was strong. I let you down together, it's all your back from my face. I was looking to my baby, I was looking at my face. Should have chased and stood the light, should have made it let me. If I told you what to say, then you'll be bound to love me. Come on, my love, walk out the door, just stay around now. It's time to walk the rainbow. Where is the one that tried to rip me down? He let me go. He take my leg on and tell me you're gonna die. I was alive. Oh, slow the style of the hunter. I know what's there. I've got all that left to leave. I've got all that left to give. And I survive. I will survive. Baby. Alam mo yan, gotta make me move to the town that's for me. Down to keep me walking, keep me grooving so happy. Round to the body, to the body, to the body, to the body. Down the body, to the body, to the body, moving. Gotta move on. Gotta move on. Gotta move on.
Ayan, dito tayo sa yan. Pumasok na sila.
Won't you take the time? Fucking time. 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 The last dance, all life. Yes, it's my last chance of romance tonight. Oh, I need you by me, beside me, to guide me, to hold me, to scold me. Gonna say I'm there, I'm so bad. So let's dance, let's dance, let's dance, let's dance, let's dance. dance, let's dance for romance tonight. Oh, I need you by me, beside me, to guide me, to hold me, just hold me. That's right, I'm better, so bad. So let's dance, let's dance, let's dance, let's dance, so let's dance, let's dance together. Ang bilis naman kasi nag-step ko, ang hirap na po.
Oh, thank you, Max Zayda!
Ayan na, pwede na kayo mag-request sa akin. Bago na lang kami mag-pray.
Pahirapan niyo po sila na ng bata ko.
Nasa kami po yung naman.
Someone let me roll me on the radio, radio. Yes, exactly how you play. It doesn't fall up that hole when you walk right out the door. Thank you so much for that. I never said that I'm gone. Ooh, baby. So just how I've been feeling over you. That there's a radio on the radio, on the radio. Whoa, on the radio. Whoa, on the radio. Whoa, on the radio. On the radio.
Yes, palakpakan na yan. Of course, ay maraming salamat po sa nagbigay ng compliment ha. Hindi namin ito ini-expect. Ayan o, puksoy muna natin, paswerte. Puksoy, puksoy. Ayan, ganon. Hindi, pampaswerte yun. Kumbaga sa ninuno, ganon.
Sabi nila kasi pag pinungsoy mo daw masusundan.
Correct, oh.
Sige ka daw na tayo tig-iisa.
O, paunahin mo natin si Little Girl.
Sige ka muna. Ano kata mo, Ate Raina?
Sige, sige. Yung
Ayun. Tara yan, o.
Sige, ito. Search kayo.
Abot na ba?
Abot ba?
Oo, hindi ko pa. Kukuha ko ng
Yung
pako.
upuan ko, ano yung upuan?
Alam mo, pasalamat ka kaya sila pumasok. Hindi ka nila makita doon sa labas, sa kanilang upuan lang. Oo, hindi charot-charot lang. Uy! Ayan, pwede kumanta at mag-request ha. Thank you so much sa comment.
Madam, thank you so much ha, sa mabuti mong puso. Mabubuhay na ang mga bakla.
Yes.
Diba? Ako makakala yung babae ako, bakla ako ha.
Hey!
Oo nga, bakla ako.
Hindi nga!
Oo
Hindi
nga.
nga! Totoo, man.
Ang ingay nitong bata. Sige. Para sa baby, this time, paano sa mga gagawin mo? Za! Buti! Japon! Viva!
Thank you ba? Uy! Ba't nag-umpisa ka agad?
Ewan ko sa iyo, ikaw lang pindot.
Ready, game!
Yeah.
is better. Two oars in the pond, somewhere long ago. How they need to know. Someday they meet again. They have a need for more. Well, makes sense. Maybe this love will be love. Maybe now they get more than just friends. She's stuck in this life, and it feels so wrong. Maybe this time love won't end. It's the same old feeling like a dream. It's the one that way back when the too young to know when love was free. But somehow some things never change. Every time I step through the flame, it's getting brighter than ever before. Because love changes, everything changes. Maybe this time we'll be loved and maybe now they can't go. She's back in his life, and it feels so right. Maybe this time love won't end. She smiled like she used to smile way back then. She screamed like she used to feel way back when she tried to suffocate there, waiting for this magic moment. This time you'll be loved and fine. Maybe now they get more than just friends. She's stuck in his life, and it feels so right. Maybe this time, maybe this time, maybe this time. Ang galing naman.
Siyempre.
Sa tingin mo, paano ka namin susundan? O, diba? Ang galing.
Alright.
Mag-request na lang po kayo namin.
Sa tingin mo,
Uy, isa pa daw!
ay, isa pa?
Oo, kasi...
Anong kanta?
Hindi ako nagtatanong. Sinawag ako
Ano pong kanta? Sige. Lahat po ng kanta na matataas kaya ko. Depende lang.
Talaga ba? Oh.
Ay! Nakuha!
Wow! Taray! Magpano ka sa ninong mo? Oh. Ayan.
Ano daw?
Ano kanta yan?
Mataas na kanta. Boss.
Siya palang hilig. To the rain daw.
By the way, sige subukan natin ah.
Ayan na! O, mag-bless ka sa ninong mo!
Bless ka sa ninong mo!
Taray!
Tumatalon pa siya eh, no?
Ang layo pa ng Christmas, ha? Ayan na! Namigay ng pamasko yung mga ninong bata.
Bakas-bakas sa sila.
Bakas-bakas.
Kuya Ray,
Itukan mo silang lahat, anak!
kakantahin ko nga.
Oh.
To the fire. Ano ba talaga? To the fire, saka to the rain. Sige, tapos susunod, to the years.
Oh.
Lahat na go.
Oh. Yun niyo yung bata, ha? Pinaiyak niyo yung bata! Huwag niyo paiyakin!
Oh, lagi mo ba laki yung anak namin?
Ayan.
To the fire.
O, to the fire. O,
Kasi siya dapat umpisa ng to the fire. Okay, ang oras.
oo.
Tapos sugar eh.
Ano ba talaga? To the fire o to the rain? O, to the fire ka.
Dudumay, ayan.
Madali.
Thank you sa bagong 100. Ay, pag-ipon na kayo.
Ayan ba? O, dali lang. Kita mo sa iyong fire.
Bumalik ka muna doon. Tawag ka
O,
doon.
mag-bless ka sa ninang mo.
Dagdagan mo na, tatlo kami.
Ay, oo!
May pagdagdag na tayo. May pambili na tayo ng sardinas na may ispa.
Ayan, thank you.
Ay, thank you so much sa grupo nyo, ah. Grabe lang masaya nyo si Raina.
Hindi
O,
na
diba?
lang. Go.
Ay, ito na.
Ito na po, boss.
Pagod na pagod din siya yung paligid. Ay, someone to the fire.
Pagkikihan mo yan. Magkakalit sa mga ninong mo. Mga ninong mo.
In your eyes,
Parang ba?
girl, today just leave. Don't not trust in your heart to anyone. You tell me you're gonna play it smart. But before the sun, and I believe that we both could just be. When you say you just go, say no. Panindigan mo yan. And I want you so I'm ready to go. To the fire, you made it meant to the world. For a chance to be with you, and then to reach the earth. To the fire, whatever come what may. For a chance of loving you, I take it all the way. Right down to the fire, even to the fire.
Parang ba?
You're afraid of what you feel. Still make time to leave, and I can help if you only let me have. You touch me and something in me go. But I could have with you, and I'm not ready to miss. Just breathe goodbye. Well, the sweetest song, say no. I need you so I'm ready to go. To the fire, to the limit, to the wall. For a chance to be with you, I'll never lose it all.
Ayan, ano?
Ano ba yung request?
Ano ba yung request?
Ano ba?
Through the rain, no? O yun, through the rain daw, oh. Oh, ay.
Ano ba yung isa?
Wag, dalawa nga lang, through the rain nga eh. Oo. Wag, through,
Susunod ang through the years. Lahat ng may true.
puro may true. Tapos,
Baka kung baka ang ending niya may love will see you through na.
Oo.
Pambato, itong batang.
oo. Taray. Hindi, buti na lang talaga. Dapat kasi makakasama namin ngayon. Aswang Day.
Buti na lang. Tiyanak lang yung dumating. Boss, kasi akala namin, asawang din yung kasama namin.
Oo.
Nabago pala, tiyanak ang pinadala.
Ay. Tuwa-tuwa sa'yo si... Tuwa-tuwa sa'yo yung boss, oh. Yeah.
Baka ka na malakas. Ako ngayon. Nandito ka in the rain.
Oh, palakpak!
When love is for everything, without even to be sad, and nobody comes, and you feel so far away, but you just can't find your way home. You can get there alone. It's okay. What you say? I can make it through the rain.
Oh, palakpakan niyo po yung mag-ate!
On my own, and I know that I'm strong enough to make. And every time I feel right, I walk through to my friend, and I live one more day, and walk through the rain.
Oh.
And if you keep falling down, don't you ever feel you will know God's safe sound. Simply resting, close that eyes sleep. And if I want you to be held, won't you stay? I can make it through the rain. I can tell once again on my own, and I know that I'm strong enough. na-enjoy nila boss yung
Yung moment kasi ngayon sa'yo. Ayan. Eh, syempre, huwag masyado napagod yung bata.
Oo.
Pagod ka ng bebe. Charot.
Ito na! Ito na! Hindi na gusto yung anak ko.
Ayan. Oy, thank you so much. Very good.
Masyadong masyado na pagod yung anak ko. Nabato yung apo mo naman na. Ikaw naman.
Yung lola naman dapat.
Ay, sila mo nito ako mo. Yun yun.
Gusto mo i-recite ko yun? Kung ano mga lumalabas sa bunga nga ng tungkol.
Paano ka tumawa? Yung totoong tawa. Yung malakas, yung malakas sa tawa.
Oh,
Sorry.
ayun. At dahil dyan,
Masaya pa kayo?
Oo.
Diba?
may jammer na tayo.
Okay, Jamie.
Oo.
Anak, masabi mo naman sinusop yung ano ko, yung butong ko lumabas.
Oo.
Lumabas yung butong ko. Ano mo?
Gano, pagka na-dirty mo yan, alam mo kung laman yan.
Masyado mo sinusop ang akati ng uso mo. Diba? Masusuntok
Oo.
din charot na.
Yan,
Ang galing-galing ni Raina, palakpakan niyo naman si Raina. Kasi ano, ngayong gabi, audition ka ba? Audition.
Audition.
Audition, oo.
Siya po ang aming audition kay gabi kung ano po.
Ang galing, di ba?
Kung anong pag-desisyonan po.
At saka siya pala yung ano, nag-grand chopper ng 2023 sa I Can See Your Voice.
Yes.
Marami na rin siyang exposure sa TV.
Correct.
Yes. At tulad ng ano,
Pilipinas Got Talent.
ano pa?
Yung sa, nakagalit ko si Vice Ganda ng 5th anniversary.
Wala kami pakialam doon. Yung ano yung tinatanong ko lang.
Sabi, huwag ka magkwento kasi
Yun na.
sagutin ko lang yung tanong.
Sagutin ko lang yung tanong ko, ha?
Oo.
Charot na.
Oo.
Magaling si Raina, no?
Oo. Ayan.
Yes,
O,
pa.
dahil yan para makapag-alam.
At tawagin na natin yung jammer. May jammer.
Yes, Sir
tayo.
Jean.
Sir G.
Oo.
Jeff ba? Yung kanina?
Oo, yan. Halika na, Sir Jean.
Jeff, oh.
Gian. Parang Gian, gano'n. G. Okay.
Halika na, bossy.
At tapos
Eto, isa mo sa nakakita lang ng pinost, yung pinagalan. Sa poster, boss, nag-ano kasi kami, diba? Nag-posting kami. Nakita niya yung
oo. Sabi niya,
posting.
meron pala dito, anong kanta, boss?
Kaya daw pala siya walang kasama kasi tinry niya lang muna. Kasi nakakang-curious daw siya. Ang ganda nito, ah.
Ano ka
Kaya
ba, boss?
pinuntahan niya daw kayo. Iba rin yung nagagawa ng social media, eh, no? Ano nga, tinigyan namin po sa mga basta alam mo
Maya Joel kayo. Here we go for the song, sir. Eve, wait, sir. Oh. DJ.
If each means 1,000 words, then why can't I point you? The words will never show. Paano pa ka naman tayo, Sir Jeff? To know if a face can launch 1,000 ships, then where am I to go? There's no one more but you. You're all that's left me to do. And my love for life is all dry. You come and pour yourself on me. You can never